Flop, 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 flop. Flop, 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 flop. Flop, 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 like a floppy disk. Flop, 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 flop.
Hey, rappers pissed off cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drive. Fail rappers coming at me cause that shit flop. Rappers pissed off cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drive. Fail rappers coming at me cause that shit flop. First off, 10 tick, it's good you let the pen speak. But problem is your pen game's weaker than your erection. If your pen was better, you'd be bigger than where your ass is. Went through the same VS class, but look at where you at since. Success over age, I'm your big brother. Talking about big brother, you the male toucher. You got nothing upstairs, it's what your song shows. You like Lord Davos, you know Sabi fight, but you did front row. Y'all really sent me another Holyfield. Holyfield was crying in that battle, y'all ain't notice it. Another failed rapper that's coming at me for hype shit. Another angry rapper that wishing it was the guy, bro. You failed, your YouTube is embarrassing. 7 subscribers, that's just you and your family. 600 views, it's like, bro, who sent you? 4 likes, 0 comments, you strong cause it didn't end you. But I'll stand with you, bro, and whatever you gon' do next, I'll act that it make it. LGBTQF, the F is for failed rappers. Y'all so sensitive, gotta keep the sniper away and the alternatives. How many times y'all gon' always take L's? Y'all like Jimmy Agbaje, bro, when you gon' learn? Everybody know you gon' fail, it's natural selection. You like Fela Durotoye in the just finished election.
Jamanza, here are the results in the just concluded most failed rappers election, ranked from highest to lowest. TENTIK, 5 million votes, unopposed, sir.
There's many like you, y'all should form a support group. Make a real connection, y'all should gather up in one room. Remember Blackface from Plantation Boys? Yeah, make him your leader cause dawg, he failed before you. Nigeria's failed cause there's no one to check you. Proud Froster is really talking to me about cash moves. I gave you fame, you ain't even say thank you. The next time you trend is when EFCC gets you and throw you up in jail, hope you turn to a Naira Marley. It worked for him, but you, I don't know about it. Cause Marley made it before and went in, reach around the facts. Your whole life you've been stuck on the ground like the house collapsed. And you had the guts just to talk about the cipher. I'ma tell you one thing that you ain't know about the cipher. Black Bones was the most searched name on the cipher. Do the math and ask yourself who was the man on the cipher. What have you achieved? Let me help, absolutely nothing. Only time that we cared was you talking about me. Cause I'm a big fucking shot, I'm the best up in Africa. I don't say that shit for clout, I'm the best up in Africa, G. Rappers pissed off cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drive. Fail rappers coming at me cause that shit flop. Rappers pissed off cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drive. Fail rappers coming at me cause that shit flop. Hey. Toe to toe with these rappers, Mode 9 SDC, have a go with these rappers. Facts that I'm never scared, rappers I kill them dead. I don't even care if y'all won't make me as the motherfucking villain here. Snapping like Thanos, the game never been this alive. The shit I do for the culture, when is it gonna be scrutinized? Every moment for rapping, 219 is black, cute. Everyone on the come up still doing it now, rigid if you're listening. Better step up or I step on you, I'm moving mad. Except for the niggas that stay loyal to every rapper. Free to come at me anytime, it's no biggie, but bruh, better be ready to die. But you ain't know you was gonna rap until I pushed you. Now niggas really rapping, give credit where it's due, fool. Gave you a fucking platform or target on my back, dude. If they ever ask who made you rap, tell them it's Black, fool. Showing you all the blueprint, but niggas acting too big. Niggas make music, no budget to push it. Then they turn around and attack my deal, that's just stupid. Share bread with 100, cause that's bread to begin with. Paper Coleon, stop tiptoeing and come get it. Let it pull, hit me up whenever this I'm feeling. Fresh air, bro, you cool, but whenever you wanna smoke, pick an altar, got it, win and I'll fucking let it blow. Yo, Boogie, I see you on your unlooking shit, better don't look here. It's bread box in his beach, MO2 clear. Come at Dremo and 30 PG, unless I see him at the club then. Otherwise I'm the man, YC be my only nigga. Suck a white pea, bring your ass down, yeah bro, I'ma kill you. Tell the Apex Villages, I'm a city boy. Payback is a bitch, pun intended, so yeah, they gon' be destroyed. Files you exempted, cause you on my next single, AQ and loose. I still want my deal, thank you. Thanks for the permission slip. But the thing is, you sanction murder, so damn, you're going to jail with me. And if I ever die, I'm Jesus Christ to you niggas. Carry the cross, and damn, my back hurts for you niggas. I put rap back on the charts, I did that for you niggas. Where's my appreciation? I brought the heat to the kitchen, you bitch. Rappers pissed off, cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drop. Rappers coming at me, got that shit flop. Rappers pissed off, cause I be the boy. Came and blew the game up, that is serious us. Number one on the charts, everything I drop. Feel rappers coming at me, got that shit flop.
Flop, 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 flop. Flop, 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 flop. Flop, 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 like a floppy disk. Flop, 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 flop.
But if we look at it, who's the bigger flop? Paper, who don't got no paper? Or authentic, who's not even authentic? It's difficult, but I'll go with Holyfield.
Limao.
Focus.
Yo, Alpha, you came through with the beat though.